Nouns Part 1. There are 4 types of nouns. The first one is singular and plural nouns. Second one is countable and uncountable nouns. Third one is gender of nouns. Fourth one is kinds of nouns. Today our lesson about singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns. We can change a singular noun to plural noun by using 4 steps. Step 1. By adding s to the end of the singular noun. Step 2. By adding es to the end of the singular noun. We use second steps to the word ending with o, x, s, sh and ch. Step 3. By adding ies to the end of the singular noun. We use this step to the words ending with y. Step 4. By adding ves to the end of the singular noun. We use this step to the words ending with f or fe. Irregular plurals. Man, men's, woman, women's, child, children, ox, oxen, louse, lice, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Singular with s ending. Physics, news, politics. Thank you. Stay tuned with LUMOS.